Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I will explain how to do DSR test. First we bring this bitumen sample from asphalt plant. Then we put in oven with less than 150 degrees centigrade to become enough fluid to pour in this kind of silicon mold. This dia is 25 mm and this thickness is 1 mm. Okay. Now my technician will pour small quantity of bitumen in these mold. थोड़ा थोड़ा डालो. We will fill 2 silicon mold, but we will test for original binder testing. One, if we have some error, then we will check other one. It is better to cool these sample in room temperature. I mean with less than 25 degrees. Some person they are putting in refrigerator for quick coldness. Some persons say it is not better, but I will cool it in room temperature. This is DSR machine and it is its computer in which there is software, and it is water bath to increase and monitor temperature of water. Now I will start, and after start we will see other thing. Now I am starting my computer. इधर से we will click this icon on computer, so our program will run this. We will check our temperature. We will put here 64 because our bitumen is 70 H minus 10. This 70. Select. Okay. Our test is on original binder, so we will click here on original binder. This start. Oh. Actually we abrupt this test because sample is not in machine. Okay. When we put temperature in our software 70, here also comes 70. Okay. इसका भी button. There is also a button for DSR test. This is on. Here this is spindle. This is cover. This is knob for water. So now water is circulating and also heating. Also we will check this zero gap in DSR to confirm zero gap. One thing we need to check this DSR zero gap. So this is his lock. This is unlock. We will remove this cover for checking our. We are again fixing. This we are fixing. So this unlock. We will put here in zero. We will see this close. Again we will rotate this and touch this close. But at one this will not close. This one main 10 micron meter. So on 10 micron this not close, but on one this we will rotate and touch, this will close. But if this is one digit here and 10 micron, when we will do this not close. Okay. Sometime it is not zero. So what will we do here? This is now. So we will open this, and by this we will set. So we will set this here close. So our zero calibration will be this tight. So again this close. But when we will put in 10 micron, this will not stop. Okay. Now our temperature is increasing. Now this is 51. Our required temperature is 70. When it will reach 70, we will put our sample here in this gap, spindle and base, and we will put this gap 1 millimeter plus 50 micron meter. This here. After it we will pour this sample here, then we will fix this spindle on it. We will trim the sample, then we will fix again 1 millimeter and start the test. Now our sample are enough cold to pour in DSR. So I am putting this here. Here. And I am lowering this. Now I will trim with this trimmer this excess bitumen. Okay. Uh, Petrol, where is petrol? Brings petrol. After trimming, I will put this trimmer in petrol, so this will be petrol. So this will be clean. Now our temperature has reached to our specified temperature 70. So we will down this cover here. This. We will unlock this lock. We will put gap into exact one. We will down this little DSR and we will open more little water to touch this sample, this water here. Sample, okay. Now water is coming and we will start our software here, original binder. This will take nearly 10 to 15 minutes, then it will give us a reading. So after reading I will show you again. Now this sample is working like this. Now test is running. This test name is rheological property of bitumen binder by DSR as per ASH's bitumen from 70. Now our 76 temperature is also passed and now this DSR water bath is going to 82 for more checking. Now our test has complete. Now we will print it and we will stop this all thing. We will give it a name, original binder, this date 10 9 10 12. Okay.